Hello and welcome to the highlights of the first game of the Pakistan Junior League, a match between Gujranwala Giants and Mardan Warriors in Lahore. Pretty similar to what we've seen at the Gaddafi Stadium, a newly laid surface, so a lot to anticipate for. Dryness, bit of grass for the extra carry and bounce. Let's find out what the captains do at the toss. The toss was won by Mardan Warriors and their captain Abbas Ali decided immediately that they want to bowl first. The two teams with their overseas players, Gujranwala Giants bringing in Shevon Daniel from Sri Lanka, Ariful Islam from Bangladesh and Tom Aspinwall from England. Whereas Mardan Warriors overseas players, three of them all from England. All to play for in the opening match of the Pakistan Junior League. Let's join our commentators as the first ball of the Pakistan Junior League was bowled. And wide signal by the umpire, so starts off with an extra and Gujranwala Giants are on their way with that. Oh, did he get a bit of bat onto it? I thought I heard a sound. There was a bit of a deflection or has just gone right through. We have to wait for the umpire. There's a sound. The sound has been given. First wicket of the Pakistan Junior League.
This will give us a better indication of exactly what's happened there. I don't know if we got an inside edge on that. It's clearly come off the front pad.
Runs here. That thick outside edge. Probably didn't intend to play it in that area. Aimal in his first over. Oh, that is a very good shot. That's got to be out. And it is. First up, full at length, straight in front of middle leg.
Couldn't get the bat down in time. And that's hit him plumb in front. That's a good delivery first up to the batter.
First no ball. Not only he has to bowl it again, going to end up giving a free hit here. Again, a thick outside edge. And that's earned him a boundary. Desperate dive there by third man.
You just see there, chipped and out. Being a good start. Bowlers have bowled good lines, good lengths with pace.
Little bit of length, trying to go over the top. No timing there. Easy catch by Hasib. Third wicket down for Gujranwala. And that's the danger with bowling too many variations. Wide ball, 5 runs granted by the Warriors.
Yeah, it's like a flatter one that comes out the front. He's trying to, I don't think, try and get too much side spin on. He's trying to just push this one in. This one short, could be a chance, no. Tried to get in place, tried to take it one hand. That's 4.
We have seen so often in T20 cricket, 1 run, 2 runs, changing this whole face of the match.
Shahid Afridi, former Pakistan international, mentor. Concedes a boundary straight away. The captain of Mardan Warriors, Abbas Ali. Finds a gap, will be 4. Cut powerfully behind point and intentionally playing it behind. Up and over. That's a really special shot. And a good one to end the over. 13 runs coming from it, 88 for 3. That's the 50. The first 50 in the Pakistan Junior League goes to the captain of this Gujranwala. Beautiful. Struck nicely in the air, but didn't have the distance. The shot was on, the length was there to be hit down the ground, but just didn't get the power.
Just had the feeling that he felt a little bit rash. That stroke looking to go over the top. The shot was on, ball was full, middle was up in the circle, and he got too much height in the ball.
And they bowl as well as what the Warriors did with that new ball. All of a sudden then the pressure is on. So 100 up.
What a ball, what a delivery, right at the root of that off stump. He's been so good. That's his third wicket, Emal.
And you're right, this is a sensational delivery. Watch the late swing. Any young girl or boy out there, how the seam came down, how he produced that. Wow, this is something special. Bowler tried everything to stop Aspinwall going with that ramp shot.
Brilliant delivery, in swinging, full, nothing that the batter could do about it.
Big, tall Aspinwall couldn't do a lot about this. Classic death bowling at the end of a T20 game.
Shot. That's what's needed by Gujranwala. They need a few runs in the last 3 overs or so. He's going to earn himself a boundary there. So common to see these shots in T20s around the world. Yeah, he finds a field. That's a good catch. That's a good catch taken. He judged it well. The ball was dying and dipping on him. Kept his eyes on. I think that's George Thomas has taken that catch. The mentor likes it. They've been so good all round in the field, Warriors.
Well, that was in the slot. Well, probably should have gone out the ground, really. His only time, he's just missed that full length. But you're right, this is a good catch. Gets in a good position, has to come forward, low down.
Last ball of the innings for Giants. Another good delivery. Just go through maybe for a bye. We'll just wait for the umpire's signal. Oh, he's got some bat on it. So 131 is what Gujranwala Giants have managed to get. So at the end of 20 overs, Gujranwala Giants put into bat, scored 131 for 7 with their captain Uzair Mumtaz getting 54 of 47. Few contributions from Waqas, Aspinwall and Majid helped them to get to 131. Mardan Warriors were very accurate and on the money. Got 3 wickets for just 15 Emil Khan, 2 wickets apiece for Abdullah and Nabil, and the rest of them who were wicketless were very, very economical. 131 for 7 is what they gave away, and they got 7 rewards for that. So Mardan Warriors need 132 to score their first 2 points in the Pakistan Junior League. Let's join the action with our commentators.
First ball off the mark straight away. Well, a few things you can glean from that first innings, Sana. 1, the number of dot deliveries. Might not do so. Fine stroke. Shazab just squeezes this one past cover point for a 4. Was airborne for a while, but a firm enough stroke through that cover region. This will release a lot of the pressure being built up by the bowlers. Gone for it again. Wide of that fielder in deep third. That's good going by Shazab. That's fast and that's high. The square leg umpire will just assess the height of that delivery.
Big shot. He'll clear the inner field for sure. And probably the first maximum as well. First 6 of the game, first 6 of Pakistan Junior League. This time a top edge, catch it is the call, but it will land in safely, 1 bounce. The pace just carries it all the way. Oh, probably a few. That's a good shot. That's such a good shot. It may look easy. It takes a lot of practice to do that inside out, playing it over the inner circle. Down on one knee. He's played it wide of that fielder. It doesn't really matter where the fielder is because this is the second maximum of the match, and both of them coming from the Warriors. Yeah, too much time for George available on that occasion. He made up his mind, getting inside the line of that delivery and just pushing it further over fine leg.
Oh, this is such a good shot, straight down the ground. This has been so good from George Thomas. He's 44 from 29. Again, this will be another massive 6. Forget these boundaries. 66 yards, that's gone all the way, and 50 up. The second half century in this opening game of the Pakistan Junior League. And this one quicker, 31 deliveries. Oh, this is over extra cover. Wow, they want this game finished. They're thinking about run rates so early on in the competition. Oh, out. This one's sliced, really. And they needed a wicket, the Giants.
Has done the job for his team. 5 runs short of the 50, a bit uppish there, good length. Because that feet movement is not there, playing away from the body, it was uppish.
Oh, this is close. This must be close. It's given. Absolutely. Hit in front of the stumps. And George Thomas tried to ramp that over a short, fine leg. Pitch doesn't really matter as long as it hits him in line. For me, Sana, that is absolutely out.
So the umpire has made the right decision, it seems. He's going to stick with it.
Oh, this is a super shot. Gave himself a little bit of room outside leg stump and lifted him over mid-on for 6. What a way to finish the over.
Sweetly timed. That's a classical stroke. More runs. Surely will be a couple.
And will be the first win in the inaugural Pakistan Junior League.
So Mardan Warriors made it look so easy, winning this game comfortably by 8 wickets. And it was George Thomas with his brilliant knock 50 of 32 led the way with a brilliant partnership along with Shazib Khan, and they took the game away from the opposition, scoring 132 for 2 in just 16.5 overs. Gujranwala Giants bowlers were not very lucky in terms of wickets. When they got the breakthroughs, the game had already slipped for them. But there were some performances like 1 for 22 from Ibtisam and 1 for 31 from Shan, who were amongst wickets. Just a quick look at the match summary. Gujranwala Giants were asked to bat first. They just couldn't get off in terms of big hits. 131 for 7 is what they managed in the 20 overs, with their captain Uzair Mumtaz getting a 50. In reply, Mardan Warriors were class apart. George Thomas' 50 and Shazib Khan's 45 led the way and took the side to victory and the first 2 points in the Pakistan Junior League. Mardan Warriors winning this by 8 wickets. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of the first game of the Pakistan Junior League. Until next time, it's goodbye.